चैनल। आज हम बायोलॉजी का फुल सिलेबस मॉक टेस्ट करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। 91 फिशेस, एम्फीबियंस, रेप्टाइल्स, बर्ड्स along with mammals are placed in the phylum Chordata. That is Chordata. And 92 the inheritance of which of the following character does not follow Mendel's law of dominance? AB blood group in humans. 93 dash cells are some of the longest cells, nerve cells. 94 parenchyma cells of pericycle in stems are part of fundamental tissue system. 95 identify the incorrectly matched pair with respect to lack of operon. Gene Z structural gene correct, gene Y structural gene correct, gene I regulatory gene correct. So incorrect will be option number 4th. 96 pea plants with genotype capital V small v 4 starch grains have intermediate size starch grains and round sheets. 97 which of the following is not a fleshy fruit? Guava, orange, mustard, mango. That is mustard. 98 identify the one known as Severo-Okia enzyme from the following. Option A DNA ligase. Option 2 polynucleotide phosphorylase. So option 2 will be right one. Now moving to next question. That is question number 99. Given below are the two statements. Statement 1, the vertical section of dorsiventral leaf through the lamina shows three main parts, namely epidermis, mesophyll and vascular system. Statement 2, the epidermis which covers both the upper surface abaxial and the lower surface adaxial of the leaf has conspicuous cuticle in the diacots. So statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Question number 100. In the rocky intertidal communities of the American Pacific coast, dash is an important predator. So starfish pisaster. Question number 101. Among the following, the organisms that are classified as archaebacteria are Eubacteria, Methanogens, Mycoplasma, Cyanobacteria. So correct answer will be Methanogens. 102. The NADP reductase enzymes in photosynthesis is required during non-cyclic photophosphorylation. 103. Splicing, capping, tailing in eukaryotes are the steps of process taking place in after transcription. 104. Assertion. Reserved material in prokaryotic cells are stored in the plasmids in the form of inclusion body region. Gas vacuoles are found in blue, green and purple, green and green photosynthetic bacteria. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Now moving to next question, that is identify the mobile electron carrier in the ETS which is present on the outer surface of inner membrane of mitochondria, that is cytochrome C. Now moving to next question, 106. Question number 106. Match the least one with least two non-albuminous seeds, no residual endosperm in the mature seed, यानी A का 4th. Okay, True fruit. Thalamus also contributes to the fruit formation. No fruit developed only from the ovary. D का 2 पे जाएगा. D का 2 पे जाएगा. Okay. So option 2 will be correct. Now 107. The number of individuals of the same species that have come into habitat from elsewhere during the time period under consideration is called immigration. Now identify the incorrect. Remember incorrect. So look at the diagram. It is a type of moss. It is a type of moss. The proteinema stage of its life cycle is the gametophyte. The gametophyte stage bears sex organ. This one will be incorrect one. Okay. Then moving to next question. 109. All of the following are gymnosperm except Pinus, Cedrus, Ginkgo. 108. Incorrect statement about the organisms. So here option 4th will be the correct answer. 109. All of the following are the gymnosperms except Selenginella. It is a pteridophyte. Now moving to question number 110. Color blindness occurs in about 8% of males. Read the following statement about meiosis. A. It involves 2 sequential cycles of nuclear and cell division. B. It involves 2 cycles of DNA replication. 4. Haploid cells are formed at the end of meiosis 2. It involves pairing of non-homologous chromosomes. Recombination between sister chromatids of homologous chromosomes takes place. Incorrect statement will be B and D. The network of tiny tubular structures scattered in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cell is called endoplasmic reticulum. Match the following. Lichens, symbiotic association between algae and fungi. Viruses contain genetic material along with proteins. So option 2 will be correct. Kelps are profusely branched brown algae. Next question. 115. The microtubules from the opposite poles of the spindle attach to the kinetochore of homologous chromosomes during metaphase 1. Question number 116. Identify the false statement about starch sheath. False statement. Okay. It is found in dicot stem. It is formed by innermost layer of cortex. It is formed by epidermal cells rich in starch grains. Wrong होगा ये. And it is present in the form of semilunar patches of sclerenchyma. So option 3rd will be correct. 117. Convolutia is a plant order, plant family, and animal class, animal family. So it is plant family. Given below are the 2 statements. Assertion: the cymose type of inflorescence is limited in growth. In cymose type of inflorescence, the main axis terminates into the flower. So assertion and reason both are correct, and correct explanation of each other. Now moving to next question, that is question number 19. Question number: identify the correct fact about the estivation shown in the diagram. It is seen in arrangement of petals in China rose. No. The largest petal is called the wing? No. The largest petals are called standards. Yes. It is a waxillary aestivation. Now question number 120. The reaction center in the light reactions of photosynthesis is formed by one molecule, chlorophyll A. The puffed up appearance of dosa and idli dough is due to the production of CO2. In glycolysis, BPGA is formed by the oxidation of pyruvic acid. The stage of prophase 1 that represent transitions to metaphase is diakinesis. 124. In mitochondria, ETS oxidation of one molecule of NADH give rise to 3 molecules of ATP, while that of one molecules of FADH2 produces 2 molecules. 125. The example of recent extinction from Africa is quagga. 126. Match the list 1 with list 2. Auxin is isolated from human urine. And ethylene. Ethylene is simple gaseous PCR. D ka 4. So this one will be correct. Question number 127. Read the following and identify the incorrect statement about pond ecosystem. Incorrect. All the 4 basic functional components of an ecosystem are well exhibited by the pond. The biotic component is the water with all dissolved inorganic and organic substances and the soil deposit. The solar input, the cycle of temperature, day length and other climatic conditions regulate the functions of the entire pond. So here B will be the incorrect one. Now Sapindales is the order of Mangifera indica. Dash is used for commercial production of ethanol. Yeast. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Then 130. Statement 1. Most of the chrysophytes are photosynthetic. Chrysophytes are found in fresh water as well as marine water. Both statements are correct. Match the following. Now, Poaceae, lemongrass, cruciferae. Cruciferae means Brassicaceae. A का 3 होगा. क्रूसीफेरे टर्निप. A का 3. सो 131 का आंसर 1 होगा. Zeatin isolated from the corn kernels and coconut milk has cytokinin-like activities. 133. Statement 1. Phosphoenol pyruvate is the product of primary CO2 fixation in C4 plant during photosynthesis. Statement 2. Oxaloacetic acid is the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plant during photosynthesis. So both 1 and statement 2 are incorrect. The anther is 4-sided structure consisting of 4 microspongia located at the corners. 135. Assertion. Decapitation is widely applied in tea plantation hedgehog making, and reason decapitation usually inhibits the growth of lateral buds. A is true, but reason is false. Option 1 will be correct. Choose the incorrect statement about enzyme. 136. In exothermic reaction, the energy level of the product is lower than that of substrate. The formation of enzyme-substrate complex is an obligatory step. The intermediate altered structural state between the substrate and product are stable. 137. Match the list 1 with list 2. Pneumotaxic center, that is located in Pons region. Equal to, that means option 2 will be the correct. All are economically important insect except Locusta. Question number 139.